Tired from all your homework? We've got you covered. Homework Help Global is a trusted custom essay and academic writing service company. We provide clients with 100% original, plagiarism-free work. Step 1. Fill out the Order Now form on our website with all of your assignment details. Be sure to attach the assignment instructions and course materials. Remember, the more information you can provide, the better for the writer. Step 2. Make a payment through our secure online payment page. We offer a variety of payment options, such as Interac Online, PayPal, cash, and credit card. Step 3. A writer begins working on your order as soon as we confirm your order details. As always, we will assign your order to a highly qualified writer in the discipline of your choice. Step 4. Once the writer has completed your order, our team performs a quality control check. A final check for originality will also be completed through our plagiarism detection software. This will give you the peace of mind you need. Step 5. Download the completed order through the link that will be emailed to you once the order has been completed. Simply click the link and download your order. If you need any assignment help, let Homework Help Global lend a hand.